Hey, what's up, YouTubers? It's New Time Travel Hyman 88. Welcome back to my channel, and tonight I am going to do another unboxing video. So, today I received a package from eBay. Oh yes, and I cannot wait to see what's inside. Just letting you know, I just turned this upside down because it has my address on there because I don't want to show it off. So cannot wait to show you guys, and I got the X-Acto knife with me, so let's see what is inside. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, let's see what's inside. All right, I'm in. Let's take a look. It's all this, whoa, excuse me. Steady there, camera. Ooh, I can see lots of bubble wraps. And, my goodness. Can it be? Yes. It's the Sony Handycam HDR-CX405. This, I've been waiting for it, and I'm super excited to get here. Yes, it's like an early birthday present for me, because, yeah, my birthday is next week. Yes, this is the Sony Handycam HDR-CX405. And it's right here. Comes with 9.2 megapixel still image recorder, 60 times clear image zoom. It has 26.8 millimeter wide angle lenses plus 50 high bite rate. What does MBPS means? Plus it has an MP4 dual video recorder. It says full HD 1080. Very interesting. And it says EXMOR. It's like a sensor, something like that. Oh yes. Comes a little accessory like a tripod light and other things. I'm not sure it comes with the tripod. And it's from Sony Corporation in Tokyo, Japan. Cool. And plays with the play memory, and that's my phone in the background. Sorry about that. Very neat. Dolby Digital Stereo Creator, AVC HD Progressive, XAVC, and there's a multi, micro SD, plus the memory stick. That's HDMI, play memories, and Mac. Let's see what's inside here. All right. Very neat. Ooh. Let's see. Comes with the instruction for Spanish. And there's the English. Wonderful. And now let's take a look. See what else we got. Very neat. Let's look in there. Well protected. Wow. This is super exciting. I really loved it. Little button. It opens up. Cool. All right. Comes with a lens. Cool, look at that. The lens, it opens, it closes. Let's have the zoom in features. Wow. Very neat. Let's look inside here. There's a SD card slot is already in there. There's the HDMI cable. I like that they put the SD card slot is in there. Very neat. Let's take a look up top. There's the photos. There's zoom manual for zoom in, wide, in, out. And let's take a look. You got the menus. Ooh. Got the setups. Very neat. And image quality, camera mic, playback shooting mode, playback functions, edited. This is magnificent. Very cool. Okay. Let's see what else is inside. Ooh. This is a little charging thing. Nice. And there's a little HDMI. I think you plug it into the for the TV or the computer. Then it comes with a battery charger too. I mean, another cable. Ooh, this little thing you can transfer to hook up to this thing. Very neat. Wow, I really like that. This is amazing. It comes with the start play button right there. Camera can focus here. And comes with a little battery charger. Let's open up. There's already battery hit. I don't know what this hidden door is, but it comes with a battery inside of it. Very neat. I am so happy I finally got this. And, ooh, what's this? It's the little Samsung adapter for the SD card. Ooh, very neat. A nice little bonus. So, close this up, like so. Oh, God. Okay. Oh, doggone it. This phone again. Sorry about that. I had to put that on decline. Sorry if my phone is ringing, so I did not answer it. So, anyway. So, to recap, here's the box. Well, the chargers. And here's the camera. I am so happy. And it comes with a little microphone in there too. Let me zoom in real quick. Oh, yes. Wow. Very neat. My hand is trying to focus. Wow. Very, very cool. Looking good. No wears, no dinks, no damages. I'm so happy. Okay, so that's it for my unboxing video. What do you think? Thumbs up, thumbs down. Is it terrible? I want your opinions in the comments below. This is my second time I did an unboxing video. So that's it from here. I'll see you in the next video. And probably later down the line, I'll probably do a video camcorder test. Oh, one more thing I totally forgot to mention. It comes with this little nice little a pocket tray too. Wow, it's like you could put your camcorder inside of this little pocket thingy. Very neat. So, there you are. That's it for this week's unboxing. And see you later.